Good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. I wanted to just spend time, just 2 or 3 minutes going through this car. Just come into stock. It's a really nice car and it has a load of specification. So it's a Range Rover. It's the P400e, so it's the hybrid, and it's Autobiography. So as far as the standard range in Range Rover goes, this is kind of at the top. We have got a load of extras, and I'll try to go through as much as it has got in the brief 2-3 minutes that we have. So we're finished in the Santorini Black, and we've got the black pack on the car, so your black grills, your black lettering, these side vents here and the Atlas vents on the side are also finished in the black. We've got adaptive LED headlights on the car with the high beam assist, and then we've got the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Round the side of the car we have the dealer fitted fixed side steps and the roof rails, and then round to the rear of the car we've got the LED rear lights and the rear camera. The car will come with at least 1 year warranty. Now currently, if you're financing, you will also get a 2-year approved warranty, which will include everything, including your breakdown assistance and your home start. If I just open the boot for you, kind of a bit of tradition within Range Rover, we've got the split tailgate in there for you. So that will drop down, bit of a seating area, and you've got your cables for your charging, which I'll show where you do charge that in a second. If I just come round to the side of the car, again, really nice condition. With it being approved, you should have no damage on the vehicle, no scuffs, scrapes, certainly no marks on the alloys. So as I mentioned, we've got the privacy glass as well on there. If we go into the rear, electric rear seats, so they can increase the recline on the seats. It is the Ebony semi-airline perforated leather, and we have the dual zone climate control in the back as well. You'll also notice just from here we've got the sliding panoramic roof as well. Really nice feature on the car. Just into the passenger front, again, electric memory seats finished in the semi-airline leather. And if I just jump round to the driver's front, just jump into the car. The exact mileage on the car today is 45,758 miles. Just on this main screen here, go through a little bit of info on there. So it's called a Duo Pro screen. Now what that's going to give you is this lower section here will do your settings, your vehicle off-road settings. We've also got heated and cooled seats with massaging function and your climate control. And then on the top screen we have your sat-nav, Bluetooth and radio. And if we just swipe across, you'll also notice we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. One other thing that this car does have, has an activity key on top of the 2 normal keys. The activity key isn't something they do anymore, but what happens is you put the keys in the glove box, you walk around to the back of the car and hold your wrist over the Land Rover badge on the rear. That will lock and deactivate the keys in the car, and then this is like it's sort of like your contactless for your contactless card payments. So there's no battery in here, and you can go swimming with it or whatever. So if you didn't want to have your keys in your pocket, you could just use this, and when you go back to the car you will literally put your finger on the power boot lid, hold your wrist over the Land Rover badge, it unlocks the car and reactivates the key for you as well. Really nice feature, which is very, very, very rare. Air suspension is also standard on the car, as is this interactive driver display, which you can tailor to what you want. And then we've got the head-up display on the car as well, finished with full Meridian sound system and this really nice Alcantara black suede headlining. So really brief. I said I'd try and go through as much as I could in the time that we have. Definitely worth having a drive of this car. They drive really well. Your range on the hybrid, which as we said can just be found from just clicking on here, is going to realistically be about 30-31 miles. Now you can reserve this car for just £99, and if you'd like to do that, please give me a call. My name's Chris and it's 01642 644 444.